I'm Craig Grant and this is Cobweb Maths. In this video I use a story. It is an example of the incentive effect and my own action research. I had just spent a year teaching a top Year 9 class, Maths Without Limits, and there seemed to be no limit to what they could do. When I gave that class Lagrange's interpolation formula and 3 points without any instruction at all, I didn't expect anybody to come up with a solution. 2 of them solved the problem. Then I gave the class the solution and half the class were able to work out the second problem. We ran through the second problem, I gave them that solution, I gave them the third problem, and they then all did the third problem. A senior class couldn't do that, in my opinion. A radical change had taken place at the school I was teaching at. It was a private Catholic boys' school with about 450 students. What they'd done is they changed from stream classes to mixed ability classes. That year I decided to run my Year 10s against my Year 12s because my teaching experience led me to believe that juniors have more potential than seniors because they're more focused and they're more open in their thinking. Seniors tend to become distracted by adolescence and they lack their focus, and the other thing is their brains seem to close up a bit. They're not as open. The topic I chose for this experiment was sequence and series, and I wanted to be fair on both sides. I taught both classes the same way, using parallel lessons, right down to the examples I use. I use exactly the same examples. Both classes knew what I was doing. A couple of the juniors had brothers in the senior class, and the whole class was motivated by the challenge. The incentive effect had kicked in. However, the seniors just didn't care. They both sat the same test, and the results confirmed what I believed. The median mark for the seniors was 50%, so half of them scored 50% or less, and the lowest mark for the juniors was 50%. Ah, that's the dog. Dead? He's there. I've just got to put him back on his seat and then I'll carry on. Come on. Stay there, Ted. Sit down. Good boy. Ted, it's enough. Right. Now where was I? I also believe the fourth element was active. If you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. I thought my juniors could beat their big brothers, and so did my juniors, and that's what happened. A year or two later, something extraordinary happened with the senior class. There were different students, and it was a different situation. It was a landmark year because of a groundbreaking discovery. You'll find the whole story in the Zero to Hero video. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you.